Officiating this match will be Sir Gian Ancheta and Sir Chris Mael Lagok, national referees. Again, for the information of everyone, since late po tayong nag-start kanina, we will play the law of succession for today's matches. Starting this first set, Claveria will be serving courtesy of Balatico. Poor reception for Gataran. A chance ball for Team Claveria. Balatico setting, goes to 4. Good dig there. Back row. And a block point for Team Claveria courtesy of jersey number 5. Balatico still serving for Team Claveria. And a service ace for Balatico. 2-0 is our standing score. Balatico to serve. Poor reception coming from Team Gataran. A back row hit. Balatico setting, goes to the back row. Good dig there from Team Gataran. And an overset. 4. Jaws. And a chance ball for Team Gataran. Middle. And a net touch violation on the side of Team Gataran courtesy of jersey number 29. Lacambra. Balatico still serving, 3 serving Love. And a service error on the side of Team Claveria. A free point for Team Gataran. Jersey number 2 to serve for Team Gataran. 1 serving 3. Open. Goes to open. And a point for Team Gataran courtesy of jersey number 17. Castillo. 2 serving 3. Back row. And a block point for Team Gataran courtesy of Lacambra, jersey number 29. All threes are standing score. Jersey number 2 is still serving for Team Gataran. And service out. Point for Team Claveria. Verzonilla serving for Team Claveria. Poor reception coming from Team Gataran, and a chance ball will be given to Team Claveria. Quick attack is good for Castillo of Team Claveria. Verzonilla still serving, 5 serving 3. Colobong goes to 4. Lacambra attacking, and a point for Team Gataran. Lacambra to serve for Team Gataran. Jump serve. We're having a brief commotion here for the call, and it's a good ball. No point for the both teams. Still serving Lacambra. Quick hit. Colobong attacking. Sails out. A point for Team Claveria. Our standing score is 6-4. Aduka serving for Team Claveria. Goes to the open. Chance ball for Team Claveria. Quick hit. Good dig there by jersey number 2. Rolling ball is good for Castillo of Team Gataran. 5 serving 6. 4. Down the line is Doug. Regalo is good for Castillo, jersey number 3 of Team Claveria. 7 serving 5. And a block point for jersey number 3 and 2 of Team Claveria. 8 serving 5. Good serve. 4. And a net fault is called on the side of Team Gataran, courtesy of Colobong. 9 serving 5. And a service error on the side of Team Claveria. Six serving 9. Combination play. And it's a point for Team Gataran. But it's a point for Team Claveria, says the referee too. Castillo serving. Open. Point for Team Gataran, courtesy of jersey number 24. Jersey number 9 to serve for Team Gataran, 7 serving 10. Ball still playable. A drop ball. Open. Down the line hit by Failano of Team Claveria. Failano now to serve. 11 serving 7. And a service error by Failano. A free point for Team Gataran. 8 serving 11. And a service error from jersey number 24, giving a free point to Team Claveria. Balatico to serve for Team Claveria. 12 serving 8. Castillo attacking and through the block by Castillo of Team Gataran. Nine serving 12. Velasco serving middle. And a net fault by Lacambra of Team Gataran. First technical timeout of the match. Claveria leading by 4 points, 13-9. And of course, next game to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus Team Alacapan, still on the men's division. And we are back to the ball game. Verzonilla to serve for Team Claveria. Our standing score is 13-9 in favor of Team Claveria. Verzonilla serving. And a service ace for Verzonilla of Team Claveria. Claveria up by 5 points. 14 serving 9. Goes to the open. Colobong attacking. Deflated by the block. And it's good for Team Gataran. 10 serving 14. Lacambra to serve for Team Gataran. 4. Down the line is Doug. And a regalo. But an off the block point for Team Claveria courtesy of jersey number 4. Aduca to serve for Team Claveria. 15 serving 11.
The score now is 15-11. Claveria is up by 4 points. We're under.
Colobong with a rolling ball. Dug by Balatico. Goes to 4. Colobong attacking. Drop ball. Dug there by the libero. Goes to the open. Failano is blocked and still playable. Colobong with the chance ball for Team Claveria. 4. Cross court hit is Dug. Chance ball for Team Claveria. And a miscommunication there on the side of the setter and the middle of Team Claveria. A point for Team Gataran. 12 serving 15. Open, Failano. Ball sails out. Our standing score is 15-13 in favor of Team Claveria. Castillo, jersey number 17 to serve for Team Gataran. And a service error by Castillo. A free point for Team Claveria. (16 serving 13). Over ball. Goes to the open. Failano with a drop ball but didn't cross over. Colobong now is on deck to serve for Team Gataran. 14 serving 16. Good serve. The setter's chasing. And a miscommunication on the side of Team Claveria. Isa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Team Claveria. 15 serving 16. Open. Failano attacking. Targeting cross court is good for Failano. Castillo now to serve for Team Claveria. 17 serving 15. And a service out for Castillo. (16 serving 17). Combination play is good for Failano. Failano now to serve for Team Claveria. 18 serving 16. And a service out for Team Claveria. Both teams are having difficult times, resulting to unforced errors. Goes to the open. And ball still playable. Castillo. Middle. And a crossing violation will be awarded to Team Gataran. point for Team Claveria. Balatico still serving. 19 serving 17. Open, Castillo. And an attack error on the side of Team Gataran. Claveria up by 3. 20 serving 17. Better reception by the libero. Quick attack. A net fault on the side of Team Claveria. 18 serving 20. Goes to the open. Blocked. Middle. Is dug. 4. And down the line. Hit by Colobong is good. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Claveria. Our standing score is 20-19 in favor of Team Claveria. Again, next game is to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus Team Alakapan, still on the men's division. We are back at the ball game and you're still watching the match between Team Claveria and Team Gataran. This is the first set with a standing score of 20-19 in favor of Team Claveria. Gataran to serve. 19 serving 20. And an over ball by Team Claveria. Goes to the open. Castillo with a drop shot is covered. 4. And an off the block point by Team Claveria, courtesy of jersey number 4. Verzonilla on deck to serve for Team Claveria. 21 serving 19. A chance ball for Team Claveria. Middle. Castillo with a point. 22 serving 19. Good serve by Verzonilla. Goes to the open. Colobong. Good dig by Verzonilla. And didn't cross the net. And a point for Team Gataran. Lacambra now on deck to serve. 20 serving 22. Open. Castillo attacking off the block. And a point for Team Claveria. Aduca to serve for Team Claveria. 23 serving 20. Quick attack. Failano with a cross-court hit. Leads Team Claveria to a set point. Aduca still serving. 24 serving 20. And service error. (21) serving 24. Middle. Still playable. Open. Failano with a rolling ball but sails out. Our standing score is 24-22. Claveria still at match point. Set point. 4. Dug there. Ball still playable and a chance for Team Claveria. Failano. Colobong. Failano. And it's a point for Team Claveria, winning the first set with a score of 25-22. Next game is to be played between Team Tugigaraw City versus Team Alakapan of the men's division. Ayan, shout out po kay Jay Verbo who is watching. Also, Sir Onofre Magday. Bawi, second set. Gataran, sabi ni Daryl Ulita. Also with Jansen Pascual. Ayan, sa mga bagong tune in lang po sa ating Facebook Live, this is the match between Team Gataran and Team Claveria. Claveria winning the first set. Ayan. Hello again, Apong fans, and this is the second set of the match between Team Gataran and Team Claveria. Gataran opening this second set. Quick attack is Doug. Goes to the open. Failano with an off the block point. First point goes to Team Claveria. Balatico to serve for Team Claveria. Open. Castillo attacking. Good dig there by the libero. Failano. And it's good for Failano. A back-to-back point for Team Claveria. 2-0 is our standing score. A low set on the side of Team Gataran. Chance ball for Team Claveria. Middle is dug. 4. Drop ball. Back row. Failano again attacking. Cross court. And a net violation on the side of Team Gataran. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Gataran. 4-0 is our standing score. Ayan. Shoutout po kay Kirby Florita Ricardo who is watching our live. Paspasan nyo kano taga Claveria ket dagijili na baan nyo. Kuna ni Romel J. Tapek Sarian. Ape gamingahan nyo in linong. Ayan. Bawi Team Gataran sabi ni Rod Jomar Ulnagan. And we are back to the ball game. Balatico still serving. 4 serving nothing. And a service out for Balatico. Gataran with their first point. 1 serving 4. Velasco to serve. Middle is good for a Team Claveria courtesy of Verzonilla. Verzonilla now to serve for Team Claveria. 5 serving 1. And a service error. Point for Team Gataran. Pascual now to serve for Team Gataran. 2 serving 5. And a rotational error is called on the side of Team Claveria. A free point for Team Gataran. Still serving Pascual. Claveria is with the attack error. Point for Team Gataran. The lead now is down to 1. 4 serving 5. Pascual still serving for Team Gataran. And a service error by Pascual. A free point for Team Claveria. Failano now to serve. 6 serving 4. Good serve. Combination play. But sails out for a Team Gataran. 7 serving 4. Failano still serving for Team Claveria. And an attack error by Ulita of Team Gataran. The lead is back to 4. 8 serving 4. Failano still serving. Good serve. And a chance ball for Team Claveria. Castillo with a missed hit. A point for a Team Gataran. Castillo now to serve. 5 serving 8. A block point for Team Gataran. Courtesy of La Cambra. Castillo still serving. 6 serving 8. Open. Blocked. Still playable. Failano. The back row. And down the line. It's deflated. Goes to the open. And it's good for Team Gataran by Olita, jersey number 24. Seven serving 4. 8, I should say. And too much juice on that spike by Castillo of Team Claveria. We are now tied at 8. Castillo still serving. 4. Deflated by the block. Open. Through the block. Still playable. Goes to the open. Rolling ball. Balatico setting. 4. Jaws. Goes to the open. Chance ball for Team Gataran. La Cambra attacking. Dug there by Failano. Drop ball is covered. Goes to the 4. And a point for a Team Gataran. And a substitution on the side of Team Claveria. Gataran now with a lead. 9 serving 8. Castillo still serving on for Team Gataran. Rolling ball is dug. Open. And it's good for a Team Gataran. 10-8 is our standing score. Gataran up by 2. Block still playable. A chance ball for Team Gataran. And an attack error there from La Cambra of Team Gataran. Our standing score is 10-9 in favor of Team Gataran. Cuatro. Rolling ball is good for Ubias of Team Gataran. Eleven serving 9. Miscommunication. A drop ball by the setter. Regalo. Still playable. 1-2 play. 4. Rolling ball is good on the side of Team Claveria. Ten serving 11. Gataran still up by 1. And 4 touches is awarded to Team Gataran. We are now tied at 11. Goes to the open. And a point for jersey number 24 of Team Gataran. La Cambra now on deck to serve for Team Gataran. 12 serving 11. And a service error for La Cambra. All 12 is our standing score. Quick attack. And a point for Team Claveria. It's a technical timeout for the second set. Claveria is up by 1. 13-12 is our official score. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Chari Viernes, go Team Claveria, ikadugyo. Sabi naman po ni CJ Torrado Martin, Banatam Lucky Boy. Ayan, sa mga bagong tune-in lang sa ating Facebook Live, this is the match between Team Gataran versus Team Claveria. Claveria winning the first set. And of course, next game to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus Team Alakapan. Sabi ni Mace Cosinas, go Kuya JM and team, sabi niya. Still on deck to serve, jersey number 5 for Team Claveria. 13 serving 12. Combination play, targeting zone 1. It's good for jersey number 24 of Team Gataran. All 13 is the score. And an attack error by jersey number 15 of Team Claveria. 14 serving 13. Failano with a swipe. And a substitution on the side of Team Claveria. All 14 is the score. Balatico to serve for Team Claveria. Quick attack is blocked. Goes to the open. Castillo through to the net. Attack error on the side of Team Gataran. The lead is back to Claveria, 15 serving 14. And a 1-2 play for the setter of Team Gataran. All 15, 16 serving 15. Open is blocked. And no one to pick up the second ball for Team Claveria. A point for Team Gataran. 17 serving 15. Failano attacking, targeting down the line is good. Verzonilla to serve for Team Claveria, 16 serving 17. Failano is blocked. 1-2 play is good for Team Claveria. All 17 is the score, and a substitution on the side of Team Claveria. Open. Didn't cross the net. A point for Team Claveria. The lead is back to Claveria again. 18 serving 17. Quick hit for jersey number 10 of Team Claveria, and a timeout will be called on the side of Team Gataran. Our standing score is 19 to 17 in favor of Team Claveria. Next game to be played between Team Alakapan versus Team Tuguegarao City. Still on the men's division. We are back to the ball game. Claveria up by 2. 19 serving 17. And a substitution for Team Gataran. Good serve. Velasco goes to Colobong, but the chance ball for Team Claveria. 4. Blocked. Still playable. Failano with a cross-court shot. And a point for Team Claveria. 20 serving 17. Open, Colobong through the block. A point for Team Gataran. Pascual now on deck to serve for Team Gataran. 18 serving 20. Blocked. Failano attacking. Good dig there by Pascual. Failano again. Targeting the back row of the Team Gataran. Failano now to serve. 21 serving 18. And a service out for Failano. Castillo now to serve for Team Gataran. 19 serving 21. 4. Drop ball is good. But a crossing violation for Team Claveria. Our standing score is 21 to 20 in favor of Team Claveria. We're back at the ball game and still serving Castillo. 20 serving 21. Chance ball for Team Gataran and an attack error by jersey number 24. (22) serving 20. And it's an ace for Team Claveria, courtesy of jersey number 20 of jersey number 4. Claveria now at warning point, 23 serving 20. Kolobong. And a crossing violation will be called for Team Gataran, and this is their match point for Team Claveria. 24 serving 20. And that ends the match with the service ace coming from jersey number 4 of Team Claveria. Claveria winning this match against Team Gataran. Congratulations.